How to Create a Vision for Your Future, inspired by the book Goals by Tracy. Before you set goals, you need to know where you're headed. And that starts with creating a clear vision of your future. In Goals, Tracy explains that everything begins with imagination. If you can see it in your mind, you can start working toward it. Why you need a vision. If you don't know what you really want, it's easy to chase goals that don't fulfill you, get stuck in routines that don't move you forward, waste time and energy on what others expect of you. A vision gives you clarity, motivation, and a reason to keep going when challenges appear. It's like a lighthouse, guiding you through the fog. Example, Maria's vision. Maria felt stuck in a job she didn't enjoy, but she wasn't sure what else she wanted. So she sat down and wrote her vision. I see myself working remotely, traveling a few months a year, running my own small design business, earning enough to live comfortably and help my family. With that vision in mind, she started taking design courses, saving money, and building a portfolio. 3 years later, her vision became her reality. How to create your vision. Here are the steps Tracy recommends, and you can start today. Take time to dream. Find a quiet place where you can think without distractions. Close your eyes and imagine your ideal life in 5, 10, or even 20 years. Ask yourself, where do I live? What kind of work do I do? Who do I spend my time with? What am I most proud of? Write it down. Don't just think about it, put it on paper. Writing it down makes it more concrete and sends a signal to your brain that this is serious. Be specific. Instead of vague statements like, I want to be happy, say, I earn $100,000 year, working in a creative field I enjoy. I live in a cozy home by the beach. I exercise 4 times a week and feel strong and healthy. Review and adjust. Your vision may evolve over time, that's okay. Look at it regularly and adjust as you grow and learn more about yourself. Final thought. Your vision is your personal blueprint for the future. If you can picture it clearly, you can start making decisions today that move you closer to it. Don't wait for life to just happen. Take a few minutes now to dream and design the future you deserve. Inspired by the book Goals by Tracy. Visit planwisenow.io for more tools to help you create and achieve your vision.